I have two of these 4-window bay-like curtain areas in my house, and I'm going to show you what didn't work and what did work and how you can do it too. It's so easy. It's not really cheap, but compared to other things out there, I was really happy. You can spend $20 for a cheap curtain rod for each window, so that'd be $80. And for just about $50 more, I was able to make a really nice connecting angle curtain rod. So the first thing I tried that did not work, I tried bending an electrical conduit rod. And I had help, but even with help, we didn't get the angles right, and the rod is too short, so we would have had to connect another piece somehow. So that didn't work, and let me show you what did work. This is what worked. This is the other set of windows we have in my daughter's room. So I bought 4 room darkening curtain rods. They curve around to the side so that your curtain completely covers the window. I bought 4 sets of those, but I only had to use 2 of the end brackets on each side. The other thing I had to buy was 2 pairs of these connecting balls. So now I'm going to show you how that worked. And then I also needed some brackets like you would use on any rod that was extra long, these kind, to support it in each place. So let me show you how those balls work. So like I said, first you would install this piece on each side of your curtain on the wall. So I put one this way and then one this way on the other side. Here is the ball. And you need to make sure when you buy your curtain rod that this thread will fit into your curtain rod, and mine do. And I will link them in the description below, my curtain rods and these balls. These are for corners or for any angle where you need a curtain. To change the angle of this connector, you loosen this screw with a Phillips screwdriver, and now you can change the angle of this. Look, I can make it totally straight. So it will fit any kind of angle, even if you want to go opposite directions, whatever. The trick that I found to making this work, well, okay, so once you have the angle where you want it, and I did this up on the window itself, then you just tighten this and you're done. So easy, so very easy. The trick that I found then is that all you need are adjustable curtain rod lengths, which these all come that way. And so it was super, super easy. So let's say that I had this up on my wall already, and I'm getting ready to install the rest of it. I'm going to slide my curtain on first. Then I'm going to screw this into, so here's my adjustable rod, right, with both pieces. I'm going to make sure I have this other adjustable piece where normally you would attach the other bracket to the wall. Instead of the other bracket, you're just going to screw this connector ball in instead. So I did this on the wall for my daughter's room, but I'm just doing this right here to show you. Then once you have that screwed in, okay, so this on the wall, both pieces, your curtain, then screw this in, then make sure you have your supporting bracket connected on the other side right here. Then unscrew this so that you can put it at the right angle. Move this wherever you need to move it. And the adjustableness of the rod will allow this ball to turn so that you can put it at the right angle, okay? If this rod couldn't turn, then you wouldn't be able to turn this to the right angle because of how it works. So this spins, allowing this angle to change to whatever you want. When you've got it where you want it, tighten that screw and then twist on your next rod. Just keep doing that. I needed 3 balls, and they come in sets of 2, so I had to order 2 sets. Just keep doing that. Attach your next adjustable rod. You'll need both pieces, but not the ends for the middle windows. And then do that with the last one. If you have any questions, I'd be glad to try to answer them. Thanks for watching.